Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Langlet Guides Multiple Choice Question Series. We are here today to discuss some important MCQs on the topic The Rock and the Bubble. But before we start, we would like you to know that many students got excellent marks by the help of our previous videos. So we suggest sharing these videos with your friends and subscribing the channel to get the notifications of the newly uploaded videos. So without further ado, let's go on to the MCQs. Question number 1. What is the lifespan of American poet Louisa May Alcott? Options are A. 1832 to 1888, B. 1832 to 1890, C. 1832 to 1888, or D. 1830 to 1890. Correct option is A. 1832 to 1888. Question number 2. What is the pen name of Louisa May Alcott? Options are A. A.M. Barnabas, B. A.M. Bernard, C. L.M. Bernard, or D. L.M. Simons. Correct option is B. A.M. Bernard. Question number 3. American novelist and short story writer Louisa May Alcott is well known for her novel dash dash. Options are A. Moods, B. The Inheritance, C. Little Women, or D. Old Fashioned Girl. Correct option is C. Little Women. Question number 4. What is Louisa May Alcott famous for? Options are A. Transcendentalist, which is right to vote in election and feminist, B. A dancer, C. Social reformer, or D. An actor. Correct option is A. Transcendentalist, which is right to vote in election and feminist. Question number 5. 19th century literary icon Louisa May Alcott was a nurse during the dash dash. Options are A. First World War, B. The Civil War, C. The Second World War, or D. The Crimean War. Correct option is B. The Civil War. Question number 6. The Rock and the Bubble is thematically similar to Ralph Emerson's dash dash poem. Options are A. The Mountain and the Skylark, B. The Mountain and the Squirrel, C. The Mountain and the Hill, or D. The Mountain and the River. Correct option is B. The Mountain and the Squirrel. Question number 7. Who is the speaker of the poem The Rock and the Bubble? Options are A. The Bubble, B. The Rock, C. The Poet, or D. The Seabird. Correct option is A. The Bubble. Question number 8. Whom does the poem The Rock and the Bubble is addressed? Options are A. The Rock, B. The Bubble, C. The Seabird, or D. Seagull. Correct option is A. The Rock. Question number 9. Rock and the Bubble is a kind of dash dash where a rock and a bubble are having a conversation. Options are A. Narrative, B. Metaphor, C. Personification, or D. Sonnet. Correct option is C. Personification. Question number 10. Where does the big brown rock stand in the poem? Options are A. In the sea, B. In the valley, C. On the ground, or D. In the city. Correct option is A. In the sea. Question number 11. The waves at the feet of the big brown rock in the sea are dash dash. Options are A. Unhappy, B. Merrily dancing, C. Revolting, or D. Merrily singing. Correct option is B. Merrily dancing. Question number 12. The bubble boasts of his superiority and calls the rock as the dash dash. Or a little bubble came by the rock and called it dash dash. Options are A. Hard brown stone, B. Tall brown stone, C. Clumsy black stone, or D. Clumsy brown stone. Correct option is D. Clumsy brown stone. Question number 13. How is the rock personified in The Rock and the Bubble? Options are A. Dancing merrily, B. Singing happily, C. Laughing, or D. Walking boldly. Correct option is A. Dancing merrily. Question number 14. What does the little bubble wear in The Rock and the Bubble? Options are A. Cap, B. A necklace, C. Rainbow robe, or D. A crown. Correct option is C. Rainbow robe. Question number 15. The bubble called itself the dash dash thing that floats on the sea. Options are A. Lightest, B. Toughest, C. Loveliest, or D. Fairest. Correct option is D. Fairest. Question number 16. The bubble asks the rock to move away because it wants to dance with the dash dash and spray. Options are A. Waves, B. Foam, C. Birds, or D. Fishes. Correct option is B. Foam. Question number 17. The rock said that even the great dash dash have not been able to move it. Options are A. Billows, that is sea waves, B. Storm, C. River, or D. Sand. Correct option is A. The billows, which are the sea waves. Question number 18. Who laughs at the foolishness of the bubble? Options are A. The birds and the waves, B. The insects, C. The rock, or D. Sea animals. Correct option is A. The birds and the waves. Question number 19. Give antonym for the word floating. Options are A. Hanging, B. Moving, C. Grounded, or D. Variable. Correct option is C. Grounded. Question number 20. Headstrong, rude, and vain-seeking are the qualities of dash dash in the rock and the bubble. Options are A. The bubble, B. The rock, C. The sea, or D. The bird. Correct option is A. The bubble. Question number 21. Steadfast, cheerful, and strong are the qualities of dash dash in the rock and the bubble. Options are A. The bubble, B. The rock, C. God, or D. Satan. Correct option is B. The rock. Question number 22. Little bubble comes sailing by and demands the rock dash dash. Options are A. To give him company, B. Make way for him to pass, or C. Dance with him, or D. Sing with him. Correct option is B. Make way for him to pass. Question number 23. What is the theme of the rock and the bubble? Options are A. Importance of success, B. Meaninglessness of egotism, C. Ambitions in life, or D. Importance of power. Correct option is B. Meaninglessness of egotism. Question number 24. In the rock and the bubble, true strength of life gives us a lesson of dash dash. Options are A. Humility and gentleness, B. Success and failure, C. Pros and cons, or D. Money and status. Correct option is A. Humility and gentleness. Question number 25. What does the rock suggest to the bubble? Options are A. To go ahead, B. To find another way, C. To fight with it, or D. To stay calm. Correct option is B. To find another way. Question number 26. The glittering foam bubble has a rainbow robe and crown of dash dash. Options are A. Gold, B. Silver, C. Light, or D. Diamonds. Correct option is C. Light. Question number 27. Where were the seabirds sitting in the poem? Options are A. On the rocky seats, B. On the bubble, C. On the boat, or D. On the ship. Correct option is A. On the rocky seats. Question number 28. What words did the bubble use for the rock when rock doesn't move from the place? Options are A. Cruel and rude, B. Rude and mannerless, C. Rude and undisciplined, or D. Old and rough. Correct option is A. Old and rough. Question number 29. What happens to the bubble when it dashes to the rock? Options are A. It floats, B. It melts, C. It breaks, or D. It breaks the rock. Correct option is C. It breaks. Question number 30. What advice the seabirds give to their little birds? Options are A. Be like a bubble, rude and vain, B. Be like a man, C. Be like the rock, strong and firm, or D. Be like Mother Earth. Correct option is C. Be like the rock, strong and firm. Question number 31. The poet compares uncertain life to froth and bubble because life is also temporary and momentary like dash dash. Options are A. Foam and rock, B. Sea and bubble, C. Rock and bubble, or D. Froth and bubble. Correct option is D. Froth and bubble. Question number 32. The Rock and the Bubble is written with the iambic trimeter and contains dash dash stanzas. Options are A. 10, B. 12, C. 20, or D. 8. Correct option is C. 20. So that's it for this video. If you feel the content useful, please subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching the video.